So all set to start driving the Volkswagen Taycan. I want to show you one thing which I noticed right now. ये सारी की सारी GT versions हैं. I'll show you the badges. The GT mentioned right over here, and of course at the back. But you can make out that इस वाला GT का जो alloy wheels हैं, they're different than this GT. So these are 17-inch alloy wheels, and then there is a GT with a lower spec 16-inch alloy wheels. So GT will be offered in two different trim levels, I would say. एक top end मिलेगा आपको और एक top end so low मिलेगा. So you can make out this is the top end GT, that is the one down. Interestingly, in the one down GT in the shade of red, the interiors have a different color combination. So in this one you have these red inserts on the door pads, you have the red inserts on the fascia. Now I'm not allowed to give you any opinions, any reviews, because that is embargoed as of now. I can only showcase you what we see. So it's for you to decide the feedback, the design, how it looks, the interiors. But this is definitely something I want to show you, that GT will be offered in two trims. Now in the top end, what I can make out quickly that you have these 17-inch alloy wheels. In the normal one down, आपको मिलेंगे 16-inch के alloy wheels. Second ये है that the top end has a black roof with a sunroof, but one down doesn't have a black roof and there is no sunroof. Next thing I noticed is that in the top end you have a request sensor coming in over here with a push button start right over here. This thing is not in the one down. You don't have a request sensor and you have a normal key over here. And then other things, for example, you have dials in the normal vehicle, speedometer dials over here, physical dials. But in the top end version you have two screens. One is for the infotainment and second is for the cockpit, the speedometer console. So in the top end you have these two screens. Also in this one, I've opened the doors, you can make out you have this red ambient light coming in, which is not the case with the one down. I'm sorry, it is the case with the one down. So you have red ambient lighting and body colored matching inserts on the central console, around this area, on the door pads. What more? Well, let's have a look at the front end of both the vehicles. This is the bumper and the grille for the top end. So in this one I see less amount of chrome, especially on the central part. Otherwise, more or less it's the same concept. However, at night I did notice that this one will have a different LED pattern for the DRLs, which will come in over here. The top end will have the DRL as this one. So yeah, there is a change in the headlight as well. I'll go towards the rear of the car to see if there's any change in the top end and one minus. Of course, in the top end you have more chrome, for example the chrome around the windows, which is not the case with one down. I'll put on the parking lights to show you the rear. This thing remains constant. Your running red light is common between all the versions. And I see the top end parked over there, but the rear is same. So rear दोनों का same है. You have the viper, you have the shark fin antenna, you have the roof rails, same in that. But to summarize, the difference comes in the sunroof, the black roof, the alloy wheels size, the push button start, the request sensor, the DRLs for the headlights, and in terms of interiors, it's the same color combination for the seats. डुअल टोन एंड GT के अंदर आपको लेदराइट नहीं मिलेगा. नॉर्मल फैब्रिक सीट्स हैं तो आपको वेंटिलेशन नहीं मिलेगी. डिट्टो फॉर दी वन डाउन GT वर्जन में, एज आई अंडरस्टैंड, नो लेदराइट सीट्स, फैब्रिक सीट्स एंड नो सीट वेंटिलेशन एज वेल. अदरवाइज एवरीथिंग रिमेन्स सेम. द की, लेट मी सी, द की इज राइट ओवर हियर. No, I can't see the key. So yes, I can see the key, sorry. This is the key for the one down. And this is the key for the top end. More or less same. Yes, the keys remain same, but you have push button start with keyless entry in this one. That's a proper top end as well. Let me go to that car, the silver one, which I showed you yesterday in my video. So yesterday confusions थी कौन सा top end है कौन सा top end नहीं है. I think this confusion is removed now. This is top end without GT. So without GT top end के अंदर आपको black roof नहीं मिलेगी, but top end GT में आपको black roof मिलती है. Do you like this rear setup, the lights? Let me know guys in the comment section below. And all the confusions from yesterday about the top end and non-top end are removed. I don't know if this is the middle version or the one down, but definitely it's not the top end version. The top end is that one. And to summarize, GT आपको different trim levels में मिलेगी, which people thought initially कि GT will only be the top end trim, मतलब top end version with all the bells and whistles. ऐसा नहीं है, आपको GT one down के अंदर मिलेगी. So you can make out the pattern for the DRLs on this one. And if I put in the lights, okay, the car is not on right now, so I'll try to switch on the car and show you the DRLs. Okay. And this is the pattern on the top end version. You can make out, sorry for the flare. I'm really sorry for the flare. I think the screen is, it's very humid over here. तो इसके अंदर आपको DRS मिलते हैं, उसमें आपको DRS नीचे मिलते हैं. I'll switch off the car. These are the pedals for the GT version, aluminium type, sporty type. Let me see the pedals for the one down. So yeah, these are not conventional pedals. Of course, ये manual है इसके अंदर right now. That is the automatic. So difference in the pedals as well. The finish for the pedals, rubber versus aluminium finish. But yeah, proper review goes online in a few days time on the 9th. But तब तक I can show you what the cars have to offer without my opinion on the vehicles in the engine bay, which remains same for this one and this one. So guys, thank you for watching. I think I've clarified क्या क्या difference है in the versions.